Namaste. All the beautiful, beautiful souls. I, Rupa Khanal, your medium for tarot guidance. Welcome all the beautiful souls on my YouTube channel, White Tarot Reading. And today we are here for the general prediction series of general predictions for the month of November 2020. Let us see what the month of November has stored for the beautiful souls. Let us see what is stored for the beautiful Taurus ascendants for the month of November. And the first card I have is the Ten of Cups to begin with. Satisfaction and contentment in the family life, followed by Page of Wands. And I have the Five of Swords in reverse. That is also a positive card, beautiful souls. And the last card I have is the Seven of Wands. So when you look at this card, there are three elements present for the beautiful Taurus ascendants for the month of November 2020. You have the energy of cups, lots and lots of love, then the energy of fire and the energy of swords, all in your favor, beautiful souls. So the only energy missing is the pentacles. That is the month of November is going to bring a little bit of financial turbulence, but that will be really well covered with the family support, the moral support, the togetherness, the warmth in the family. So the Ten of Cups to begin with for the beautiful Taurus ascendants in the month of November 2020 is bringing a lot of family time, quality time with family and children. So you can plan for a tour, you can plan for a travel in the month of November. And if you are thinking to shift, the month of November 2020 will also allow you to shift in place. So as you can see in the cards, happy times with the family, festive times, so a lot of celebration, a lot of enjoyment, and something like if you have been missing the quality time with the family for a long time, especially the outings and the tourings because of the pandemic and the lockdown situation, this month, the November 2020, will give you a lot of time to spend out with family, with nature, and there is also a shift of place, a shift of home, beautiful souls. So next blessing coming for the beautiful Taurus ascendants for the month of November is through the Page of Wands. It could be someone in the family who is younger than you. It could be a girl or a boy, a man or a woman, is bringing you some kind of good news which is going to make you really proud. And if you're expecting for some good news from your children, that is also applicable, beautiful souls, for the month of November 2020. And everything in the picture is fine. There is you will be able to witness energies, good energies around you, festive vibes, family time. But this card is giving you a little warning. The Page of Wands has come with a little warning that do not be impulsive, do not make decisions being impulsive, do not make decisions when like with hurry. Take your own time, take experts advice if you are about to make some important decision, especially regarding someone younger in the family. Take advice, opinions, then with cool head, with sorted considering everything, like all the aspects and all the things connected to future and profits. So be careful, do not be impulsive. So that's a little warning coming from the Page of Wands, especially when you are taking decision for someone younger in the family. It could be your children, it could be your siblings, right, beautiful souls. And the Five of Swords, I told you the card is in reverse, but still it is a positive card. In reverse, this is indicating that you will be able to come out of some kind of deep fears in the month of November. You have already surrendered yourself to this fear, beautiful souls, but the Five of Swords is giving you 100% guarantee that though you have surrendered your fear, now it is time to come out of your fear, because the card is giving you the assurance, the tarots are giving you the guidance that your fear will be your fear will not be winning you, right? You will win over your fear, right? Because that is the celestial planning for the beautiful souls, the Taurus for the month of November 2020. So you will come out as winner. So there is some fear of something or some person or some matter, over some matter which you are really very fearful, and you have already surrendered to your fear. But this card is saying that, no, your fear will not able to defeat you. You will win over your fear. And this is the time, the November 2020 is the time for the beautiful Taurus ascendants to end all the unhealthy competitions and unhealthy comparisons. Maybe that is your fear, beautiful souls. And also this card is promising that you will be able to participate into family get-togethers in the neighborhood, in your office, in your friend circle. So this is the common prediction for most of the zodiac signs for the month of November, because especially in the Asian countries it is festive season, so there is so much of festive vibes and celebrations with the Taurus ascendants in the month of November 2020, beautiful souls. So your fears will be defeated by you, and you will come out as the winner. So that is 100% assurance coming from through the tarot guidance. Next card we have is the Seven of Wands, beautiful souls. If you can see, the person is trying to, in this card, is trying to make something, he is like redirecting the wands. So this will be the energies of the beautiful Taurus ascendants for the month of November 2020, and you will be able to come out of your stress. Both the cards are giving the same message. So this is really very strong and important message for the beautiful Taurus ascendants for the month of November. You will win over all your unhealthy competitors, all unhealthy competitions, unhealthy comparisons, the fears, right? You will be able to defeat them. You will be able to kill them, remove them from your lives. The Seven of Wands is also promising that the month of November is here bringing in the energy so that you can release all your stress, all your anxiety. And the month of November is absolute a win-win situation for the beautiful souls, those who are the Taurus ascendant, zodiac sign Taurus, beautiful souls. So there is everything planned for the beautiful souls for the month of November. Good health, family time, good news related to younger people in the family, celebration, get-togethers, releasing your stress, winning your fears. So only thing which will bring you a little bit of offside is the financial fluctuations. Besides, there is also little warning that don't be impulsive. So finances will be the only matter of concern for the beautiful Taurus ascendants. So that is what all is stored for you for the month of November 2020. I hope this is going to resonate, beautiful soul. So until next time, take good care of yourself. Astu and Namaste.